Very good day to all of you and welcome back to Green World Group's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic which is on how to verify your NEBOSH certificate. So for the purpose of this particular video, I have selected the topic as NEBOSH IGC, which is a very widely known certificate. So that's the reason why I have put it as IGC, but doesn't matter. The information that I'm going to give you is same for every certificate that's been issued by NEBOSH. So before we start, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel as well as press the bell button or something so that you keep informed about our new videos on health and safety matters that we regularly post on a weekly basis. So stay tuned and let's start the topic on how to verify your NEBOSH certificate. So before we start, let me give you a small glimpse on the topic of NEBOSH IGC. As I said earlier, the verification steps that I'm going to discuss over here is going to be the same for every certificates of NEBOSH verification for NEBOSH. And now, just before the start, as I have said, I have selected NEBOSH IGC as one of the certificate for this particular video purposes. So NEBOSH IGC certification, which is a globally recognized one, it is trusted by employers worldwide. You know that almost all the employers in the world know about this particular certificate and its validity or whatever, its genuinity, I would say. And then the career, it was also the NEBOSH IGC certificate plays as a career foundation. It equips the professionals to manage the workplace risk, everything, because it's a very good syllabus. They have done a fantastic job here and they are regularly updating the syllabus also with the latest standards and all. The standards are aligned. When I say ILO standards as well as international regulations are being carefully interpreted in this entire qualification itself, and definitely it's also a pathway to your NEBOSH health and safety career. So once you complete your NEBOSH IGC, definitely you can go for your NEBOSH diploma, which is nowadays required by many major organizations if you want to go to a higher level. So that's all about NEBOSH IGC, which is a very widely accepted certificate nowadays if you want to become a health and safety officer in the various industries, whether it is construction or marine or oil and gas. So why to verify a NEBOSH certificate? Of course, the first answer is very simple, like to confirm the certificate authenticity and to prevent fraud. You know that nowadays a lot of people are selling fake certificates, so it has become an important matter that we need to verify our certificate. So before even considering this verification, always select the right institute or right course provider to do your NEBOSH certifications. Of course, check their informations on NEBOSH websites and all, and check the company's own website to see for how many years they are in the industry. Check the students' feedback and all, and go for gold learning partners and who are trusted and genuine and who are verified by NEBOSH. So of course, Green World is a gold learning partner, and we are in this industry for the last 20 years, I would say, and completed more than 800-900 batches so far, and we are very proud of that. So coming back to it, the ensure compliance with the health and safety hiring standards and all. So nowadays all the most of the organization heads would definitely go for verification process, and of course, to prevent any kind of a fraud, this verification process is very, very important, and it could be done by you as well as your employer. So let's see what are the different methods through which we can verify this particular certificate. So the verification options, the first thing is that every certificates that's been issued after October 2019 do have a QR code printed on it. If you see, this is a certificate which is been issued. In that, if you can see, there is a QR code mentioned over here, and this is this particular QR code is only available with those certificates which has been issued from October 2019. So if anyone has a certificate issued before October 2019, you may not have this particular QR code printed on it, so don't worry at all. So I will describe how you can verify that also. So the first thing is that just take a mobile phone and scan this QR code. When you scan this QR code, it will take you directly to a NEBOSH verification website. So there you will have to enter your data. That means if you are the verifier, you are the one who is going to verify it. Enter your name, your organization name, and your email ID. Then you click next. The certificate details will come on the next slide. Confirm it and click next. Then what happens is that you will get an information that we are going to need from NEBOSH side, that we are going to send an email to the concerned learner that somebody is trying to verify your certificate. Do we need to provide details or not? Once the student or once the learner or once the owner of this certificate approves that, you will get your certificate verification details to your provider or to yourself or whatever it is. Now, there are questions sometimes the students ask us now that why this thing? Why can't my employer just go scan the certificate and confirm whether the certificate is a genuine one or not? Why do I have to approve? Now, as I said earlier, there are many fake organizations as well as fake people. Next one, as I said, this is a verification process. Once again, step 1 is scan the QR code and submit the online form. Step 2 is provide your name, organization and email ID. And then the step 3 is that the certificate holder will get an email for the approval request from NEBOSH side, and once the certificate holder approves it, the verifier will get, or the person who is trying to verify will get the certificate details. No response or a rejection is, they will say the verification is unsuccessful. Sometimes you don't see an email, NEBOSH will wait for 2 days, and if there is no confirmation coming from your side, automatically the verifier will get a notification that sorry, we have got no approval from the holder of this certificate, so it is not verified. Like that, the information can go. So sometimes it can land you in trouble also. So keep an eye. If you have gone for a job interview or something and you know that they are going to verify your certificate, keep an eye on your inbox. This email can come back to you. Okay, so you must approve it to get your certificate verified. You can do it as well as an employer can go for verification process. So certificate security features, last slide, not last slide. One important thing is that what are the certificate latest security features that NEBOSH has introduced on their NEBOSH certificates. One is that it's a new design. Paper quality, you can hear the sound of it. Second thing is that you can find your this watermark of your name printed in many areas. If I put it on light, then I can see my name printed in many areas. Then it also has a QR code, as I said earlier, and it also has a NEBOSH hologram which is printed along with the certificate. This is a NEBOSH hologram. So even if you pass your finger here, it's just printed along with it. It's not something that you can buy from the market and you can paste it on top. So that also is something where which you can confirm that the certificate is genuine or fake. People won't have this kind of facility to print. But nowadays the technology has improved, so they may take, go for advanced printing or not. But I don't know whether somebody will do it. So these are some of the security features that NEBOSH did introduce on their new certificates. So the most important thing is to go with genuine learners. Then these kind of worries won't be there, and don't do any kind of shortcuts. Then definitely you will get a genuine certificate only by properly studying and attending the exam. And finally, summary and final tips. Always verify before you accept any certificate. But as I said earlier, if you are going with a genuine provider, that itself will confirm that you are having a original certificate or a genuine. But if you have attended the exam, if you have given it in fair way, then definitely nothing to worry at all. Then it encourages the learners to protect and not publicly share their certificate. NEBOSH definitely request not to share any of your certificate. It's not only NEBOSH, any of your certificate. If you are sharing it, hide those data which are not required to be seen by other people. Definitely you have to celebrate your achievement, but be cautious when you share your personal data on social media sites as well as to other people. Only share those data which are required. So be careful. And if you have got any doubt, you can directly write to NEBOSH at info@nebosh.org.uk. They will be more than happy to assist you. Definitely give some time. They get a lot of emails. Approximately 5 to 7 working days has to be given to them. And you have some problem with any of, or you have some doubts or something, you can also contact us or any of my team members. They would be more than happy to assist you and provide you further information. And that's it. That's how we verify a NEBOSH certificate as per the latest update from NEBOSH. That means you have to approve it in a nutshell. For any kind of verifications hereafter, you have to approve it, and then only the verifier will get a confirmation about your certificate authenticity or details or whatever it is. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. As I said, subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos like this in the coming weeks as well as coming months. Once again, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.